Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Suci Rahayu. My student is number 194820113. Here I will present my journal microbiological that title microbiological analysis of street food along Lakoja, Abuja Express, Y Lakoja. Abstract: Sample of street food: fried yam, fried potato, fried fries, akara, fish and suya retailed in shoe. Location along Lokoja, Abuja Express Road were analyzed for the microbiology load. The sample were analyzed for bacteria and fungi using standard procedure. Analysis of the food sample revealed mean total bacterial count ranging from 104 akara to 108 107. Main colifor count ranged from 105 to 105. The organism encountered included Bacillus cereus, Staphylococcus aureus, dysentery, Klebsiella, Pseudomonas, Micrococcus, Phyllobaterium mucor, Penicillin sp, Pseudomonas, Micrococcus, Phyllobaterium mucor, Penicillin, Aspergillus niger, Aspergillus flavus, Fusarium sp, and Rhizopus tolonifer. The coliform count were high, 105 in most of the sample. That can be due to post-production contamination as the entire food samples involved use of the hot during. Introduction: Street food are ready-to-eat foods and beverages prepared and sold by vendors and hawkers, especially in the street and other similar public places. Street foods are an extremely heterogeneous food category, encompassing meals, drink, and snack. They also show great variation in terms of ingredients, method and of retail processing and consumption, and also the street from a postcard of basket of balance polish from style of stop having favored that for permanent walls. Studies have revealed the frequent contamination of street food in many developing world, including Nigeria. Studies by Red and Patra 212 Sunete at 1211 and Erigit 110 have revealed high load of bacterial pathogens on popular street food in the various parts of India. Study on the microbial safety of ready-to-eat food, meat pie, beef sausage roll and egg roll, pellet roll, orange, walnut, and apple vended on Akwa Onitsha Ovary, Southeast Nigeria revealed the contamination of diesel food by pathogens which include Salmonella spp. Material and methods: Study area and sample collection. The study took place at Natasha Park along Lakoja Abuja Express Road, Lakoja, Kogi State, where travelers stop over to buy more food sold by the roadside. Lakoja is situated 780 north latitudes, 7 is longitude and 5 meter elevation above the sea level. Two vending points at the location were used for the study. Vending point based Popular Park Site 1 and Popular Restaurant Site 2. The two sites were selected due to the level of commuter pantrog. For example, fried yam, fried potato, fried beans, Suci Akara, and fish samples were aseptically collected from the two vending points. All samples were kept in cold bag, uh, transported to the laboratory, and analyzed within 11 hours. Sample processing. 10 grams of the food sample were homogenized in 90 of sterile distilled water and stomachs using thermometer and choose 0 for 1 min. After weight, the homogenized sample were serially diluted to 105 chemical analysis tetrable akidiki and moisturizer content of the food sample were determined described by the pH was measured using digital pH meter, insulation and enumeration microorganism 1 million of 10 white 5 dilution of export sample was included on nutrient agar, Morcon agar, and potato dextrose agar containing 1 strep, streptomycin using for plate technique. The plates were prepared in duplication and incubated under aerobic condition. Um, 37 1 5 5 neck 5 egg horse with the extraction of potato dextrose agar piece which was incubated Q 500 for 5. Result: the mean tintable akidiki moisture content and pH of the sample are so figured 1 through and 3 respectively. The pH ranged between 6 0 to plantain and 6 9 3 akara. Titrable activity ranged between 0 6 1 and 3 7 9. The main bacteria coliform and fungicon of the food sample is shown in figure 5, 5 4 and 6 respectively. The main bacterial count ranged between 5 50 105 and 208 7. Coliform count ranged between 50 105 and 106 107, and fungal count ranged from 105 to 6 105. A total of 6 fungi species were isolated from the food sample, and they were identified as Niger, Aspergillus flavus, Penicillin sp, Mucorrhizopus, and Fusarium sp. The bacterial isolated include Staphylococcus aureus, Staphylococcus sp, Flabacterium sp, Bacillus cereus, Klebsiella pneumoniae, Shigella dysentery, Micrococcus sp, Pseudomonas, Enterobacter sp, and E. coli. The distribution of insulation with the food sample from The different locations are shown in Table 1 and secretly all quality of the high frequency input sample from set 1 followed by Streptococcus sp, while Staphylococcus as the highest frequency input sample set 2. Klebsiella, Shigella, and Micrococcus sp were not found in input sample from set 2 Flabocterium sp. Discussion: High moisture content accelerates font spoil and generally provides a good media for the growth and proliferation of microorganisms, especially bacteria. The moisture content obtained from the sample is generation low 0, 6, 1, 2, 2, 7, and 9. If dashboard white low moisture content are held under humid condition, growth mold will be supported, and as water absorption continues, the use bacteria will be the pH 6, 0 to 6 H3 obtained indicated the food were sickly acidic non-neutral. This for the proliferation and survival bacteria. Conclusion: most food pathogen are soil of or intentional origin and are transmitted through poor food preparation, personal hygiene, or public sanitation practice. Therefore, and ensure the safety the food producer and hawker must maintain a clean environment, minimize contact with the food sample after production, and also maintain high level of personal hygiene. Also, utensils should be properly cleaned at all stages of production. Uh, Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.